My name is Carolyn Johnson. This is my 13th season being here. These daffodils were planted back in 1954 by Mrs. Lee. Uh, Her favorite flower were African violets. Of course, they required a lot of work and a heat lamp, so she ordered a box of daffodils from Holland. Well, they got it mixed up and they sent a box cart of daffodils. So it was so many, they sent 4 of their workers to help plant some of them, along with my grandparents, Mame and Nathaniel Scott, who were employed by Mrs. Lee from 1952 to 1984. And since then, we've had people from all over the world come out and visit us. We've had her from Holland, Brazil, Canada, Jordan. We had a lady here from Jordan on yesterday. So they all come out and visit. And we also have a replica of a log cabin, which she wanted the children to come out and visit and know how their foreparents actually lived. So it's meant for everybody to just come out and enjoy. We don't charge anything, but donations are always welcome for people that want to come out and visit. We have picnic areas for people to come out and have picnics. We also have weddings for people to come out and enjoy. We have 916 acres of land here. About 45 or 50 of them are nothing but daffodils. We have 2 lakes here on the place. And there are places that we have not yet opened up to the public. We're still, every year we try to open up a little bit more. We have it's a 4-mile one-way dirt trail. We get a lot of, I can't believe it. You know, people are just basically in awe when they actually see. You can walk through, you can drive through. We have a lot of walkers that come through. We have East Texas trekkers that come through every other year for their annual walk here at the gardens. Basically, our blooming schedule is we open in February and March. We open mid-February, and we close in March because the daffodils are cold weather plants, and it's basically seasonal. We're open 7 days a week, providing weather permitting. If it rains, we're closed, and we'll be closed the following day to let the roads dry. So it's always best to always call or check our website to get additional information.